Hello and welcome back to this training. We are now going to make the read-through calculator actually do something useful. So we will go straight in. I still have the template here. I just realized I made a mistake in the last video as well, so I should have been making changes on the video 3 sheet. I was making them on the template sheet, so I will just undo those 4 things I did before, and I will now copy that one again, and this time make sure I'm actually on the right sheet. We give it a name of video 4, and we will start off by entering the series name up here. So I'm actually, there we go, got my name right. I always get the apostrophes in the wrong place for that one for some reason. Then actually my editor and beta readers will tell you exactly why that reason is, which is apostrophes are my short downfall. So we have the series name, and we're only going to enter data for 3 books, but you can see the sheet goes out actually to 16 books. If anyone out there has more than 16 books and wants more columns, I will add them. I didn't want to have overkill to begin with, and we'll put in the name. The reason we do this, there we go, and one more. Maybe I should have just put Wanderer 1, 2 and 3. So the reason we put the name there is that we can actually know which book we're talking about, because book 1, book 2, book 3, sometimes you can forget just which one is which if you have a long series. Obviously if you think about it you know, but when you're copying numbers over it's easy to just get a little bit blind to what you're doing. Now as you can see, these values here have gone red, and as the note below says, if you aren't in KU, and we're not for this example, then we can just enter NX. And there we go, and it goes to not red anymore. So the reason that what we're effectively saying with the X is these aren't in KU, you don't need these numbers, and it avoids having to enter numbers you don't care about in this case. So the next thing we will do is enter the ebook sales, and I just need to get onto the right tab off screen of my examples. That I've tried to pick numbers that are simple and easy to work with so that we can follow what's going on fairly easily. So we say we sold 1,000 of those, 800 of those, and 750 of those, which would not be bad read-through numbers. And you can almost see there that you're seeing a reasonable number buying book 2 and not that many less than bought book 3 than book 2, which is good as well. Now we need to enter the amount per sales. I'm going to do a $1 profit for that particular entry, and we're going to do $2 here and $2 here. Now I'm just going to take a slight detour here. A lot of people think that the royalty will be, assuming that they're in the 70% bracket, then their royalty from Amazon will be 70% times the price of the book, and that's not quite right. If you look at the instructions here, you can see quite why. So, and this is showing, oops, I just apologize, I just realized I didn't ever show the instruction sheet. So there is a sheet with instructions which fulfills the purpose you would expect. It gives you instructions on how to do a few things and steps you through the stages. But in particular, what I wanted to look at here was this. If I zoom in a little. So to find out your actual amount you earn for each sale of the book, you go to your KDB dashboard, go to the pricing, etc. drop downs there, and choose edit ebook pricing. And here you can see this is your list price, so in this case $3.99, but your royalty is $2.73, not the $2.82 it would be at 70%, because you pay a 9-cent delivery charge for each copy of that book, and that would vary depending on how long the book is. So it's not a huge difference, but it's certainly worth noticing, because making note of, because it will make a difference to your overall numbers. And that really is it. So that's us having entered the data. We are now going to, in the next video, look at actually reading the data. So again, I want to break these into small chunks so you can jump in where you need to. So this is so far fairly boring. You know those numbers, you've just copied them in. It's the numbers you're calculating you're interested in, and those will be coming right up in the next video.